I'm gonna be making a clicker game and I'm gonna show you how to make it. And if you want to see the tutorials, then go to this account, and I just made it, and it's for my YouTube channel on teaching how to make stuff in Scratch. So make a new project right here, then name it whatever clicker you want to make. For example, I'll make a leaf clicker. Then there could be like different types of leaves. And then just clear this out and then delete the other one. Then name this leaf. Or whatever you want them to click on. I don't know why I said leaves, but I guess that's fine. And then just draw. Then just make something also by the way I'm holding shift, and then make sure this is in the center right here. Then just color it whatever you want and make it. Yeah, this is a leaf, okay? This is just for, yeah. Yeah, that's a leaf, okay? So now after you've made your beautiful thing, now you're just gonna go in here whenever the sprite is clicked. Then play sounds. Let's choose a sound effect. And I like finger slap. Oops. I like finger snap. So let's drag in this. Then start the sound, so then it will still continue like down through here. It won't, whenever you do play sound, then it'll play the sound until it's done and then continue the line. And then make a variable. Variables are really useful for clickers if you don't know how to make a counter like me. So then leaves collected. There, and then make sure this check mark is like this, so then you can see this. And then change leaves collected by however amounts, and we'll do 1. But like, this is for now. We're just doing this for now, but later in a different episode, we'll be learning how to make like the levels of how much whenever you get this. And now, look at that. We have a counter. Now this will just click like this, and that is perfect. We do want it to do that. And so now let's, actually I don't know what to do. Let's add a background. You can just go in here and then add any art you want to, like just make a nice grass. I really like whenever I put the saturation to like 30 for these, because that makes it beautiful. And I can just make the sun this exact same way. Maybe I'll then, the sun looks really nice with this. Oops, hang on. Also, I don't know why I'm doing this. I thought I was going to do it in a different episode, but it's fine. I'll just do this for now so my eyes don't hurt on the background. Then you can just decorate your thing like this, and then maybe a tree in the background later. But anyways, now you have a pretty good clicker right here. Wait, hang on. I need to fix this. No. Okay, there you go. That's good. Now you have a pretty nice clicker, but let's add some animation, because animation is really nice and it makes it look really nice. So I'm gonna add animation. You can make the animation like you can change any of these effects, and then you can like change the size. I want to change the size. So repeat. Then I guess I'll just duplicate this repeat to -10, and then I want to do this 2 times. Then wait 0.1 seconds, so it's just pretty fast. Now look at that. That looks beautiful. But then it's just gonna keep doing this forever. So let's change this to set size to 120 and then set size to just 100. Now look at that. No matter how much times you click it, it'll always end up at size 100. And we also want to, of course, add some details to this beautiful leaf. So take this color picker and then take the color of this. For the outline, make the outline pretty big, like 5 I guess is fine. Actually no, 10 looks nicer. Make sure there isn't any of these corners here, but I'm gonna change the sprite later, don't worry. Then you can like make this darker like this. Then that looks much better. Yeah, this looks really good. This looks real good. Okay, maybe I should make a new leaf. By the way, I should probably get Alfie out of here. Okay, Alfie is out of here now, and I think I should make a better leaf. Okay, so and this just looks like a tiny tree right now, so I need to make it more leaf-like. Actually, I don't know what a leaf looks like. Leaf. Nice. Images, and then let's see. A leaf looks like this. Okay, nice, this is useful. I'll make this, what is it called? Is this called a spade? I'll make this spade thing. Okay, finished this. Maybe I can, am I blowing it? I feel like I just blew into the bike. But anyways, I can just take this, put it right there. Actually, maybe I should make it a little bit bigger and the outlines can be bigger too. So it looks nice and beautiful. Now if you click this, that is nice. And then you can also do this and this resets to 0. Now we also can just put in some sounds. Actually, oh, why my backpack is empty. You can upload sound from your computer, like, and get Sunny Travel in here. This is from the YouTube library, actually. Let me just, I don't know. Let's do Fat Rise Up. This isn't copyrighted. When you feel, yeah, maybe make it a little bit softer so you can actually hear me. Why am I so zoomed out? Okay, hang on. I need like, when you feel it's hopeless. Okay, there you go. Now whenever you hit the flag, it'll forever play this, and then you can also just place other sounds in here like this, and then just change these to whatever you want, and then it'll do it in that order, and then start from up here whenever it's done playing those. But I'm only doing one song for right now. Yeah, this is nice music. Now let's make a shop button. So shop. I'll probably make this for like 30 minutes, but let's make the shop for now, and then we can just make the shop UI and button, and then I guess we're done for this episode. Then later we'll make the actual shop and an item in the shop too. Then you have a nice clicker game. And yeah, guess that's good here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna grab this, just touch it, and then it'll stay with you the whole thing, and then you can just put it right there. Then I'll also copy and paste buttons right here. Now paste, and there you go. We also need to change this. Actually, I think it's supposed to be spelled leaves. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be spelled, but yeah, this is good. It's fine, okay? It's fine. Then just do this, and you can also add an outline whether you click it with this. And then you can make it look a lot bigger like this. Then just change the size. And doesn't that look good? Actually, that looks bad. Yeah. Now look at this. This looks like a beautiful bun. But you know what to make it even beautifuler? Even more beautiful? Okay, so move this right here. Then put this in the back. Now, I did this in my other game that I made. Well, it isn't like... Anyways, so you can just do this. And then don't make it go out from the top at any level. Just do this. Then the outline is pretty much the only thing showing, just to make it dark, I guess. I don't know. Maybe make it a little bit orange. Oh yeah, that looks good. Then just position this however. Get rid of that and look at this. That it has a nice little shadow like that. Actually, I think I'm gonna need to copy and paste this. Okay, now this is gonna be... Oops. Okay, Control Z, and then you can put this back over here. And then I can just take this for the outline. Then this can be destroyed, and then it look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. And then we're gonna copy this and then duplicate and then paste. Actually, never mind. You can just press duplicate. Then out and then in. Or you can just press click or clicked. I have no idea. Okay, there. Now look at this. It's like, look at that. Boom. That's an actual like button animation. Just look at that. And also you might see like some of our stuff is clipping out. So a way to fix that is by just putting dots around here, because it doesn't load it like that. So just put dots out here like this. So it doesn't do that weird flipping thing. It's at the top of our leaf too. So do it at our leaf too, and then just look at, and then now this looks really good, but also the dots are of course gonna show. So since they're being moved like this, actually no, we can just move this up here, and that is much better. Okay, so then we're just gonna need to take this and then copy and paste. Okay, now look at that. That's better. Now for the code, when the sprite is clicked, let's take this finger snap, drag it into this guy. There you go. Start sound finger snap. And then switch costume to in. Then switch costume to out. 0.1 seconds right here. And then, hang on, this is gonna need to go to 0, 0. 0, 0 is the center, by the way. Oops, I'm pressing F12 over and over again. Wait, no, that's F8. Now look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? That looks absolutely beautiful. Now we can just keep clicking this and keep clicking this, but this won't give us any leaves, of course. And let's also open the shop after this. So wait, let's wait 0.5 seconds so you can actually like see the animation. Then switch costume to, wait, let's make shop UI. Then set this to shop UI. So Huffy's opening my door. Anyways, shop UI, and then make this gray, and then switch this to this color, and then make this a darker gray. Turn up this. And now this looks good. Maybe I should make it to 20s because that looks really good too. And then it's trying to get into my room. Actually, this looks better in orange, right? Yeah, that looks good. Now look at that, that looks good. And maybe we can even do a little bit of this. Maybe set it to about the same color. Make it a little bit darker. So it isn't that much of a change, but look at that. That looks nice, doesn't it? I'll also do the same with this. Yeah, that looks... Actually, you can't really tell, so maybe I can this instead. Now our shop UI looks really good, but let's add some finishing touches to make it look even better. 26 minutes. Okay, I was planning to make it for 30 minutes anyways. Go to font layer, just in case. Switch costume to out, so there isn't really anything bad going on. But let's make this. Actually, I'm testing something. Okay, yeah, that's gonna completely break it. So we're gonna need to do some hard code. Shop open. So this is like a boolean or whatever that's called. It's a true or false thing. So then we can just set shop opens to closed. And then set shop opens to opened. Make sure you spell it right and like say the exact same thing if you're using an if statement like this, if else. And then drag out shop opened, then operator if equals opened. Okay, yeah, okay. So, if shop equals closed, I'm just doing a little thing because I've only done this about 3 times or whatever, I don't know. And then, now, switch costume to shop UI, else switch costume to out. There. Now let's press the flag so it's like that. Actually, I think I should make it 0.2 seconds because that's better. And that's awesome. And also, to make sure it's working, let's just do this. And I forgot to set this to closed. Closed. And then there you go, that's better. Okay, now let's test this again. Open, closed, opened, closed. Yes. Now that is better. Now we have successfully made a pretty cool clicker. And we also need to, maybe we can like set some settings over here. Go to 0, 0, point in direction 90. And just add comments if you want to, if it's like really hard for you to understand, so you can understand it better. And there you go, that's nice. And Might as well do the same with the shop. And also one more thing to make the shop even better. Set ghost effects to, let's say 50. That could... Okay, set ghost effects to 50 and then set ghost effect to 0. And then we also need to set ghost effect to 0 at the start too, of course. There, now. Look at that, that looks better, but it's like a yucky green kind of. So turn it down a little bit, like to 30. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, now that looks a lot better, and we can also of course do this, and then we have made a leaf clicker pretty well. We've got the main thing of a clicker here. I know it's kind of bad for the leaves, but we'll just improve it later. And you can say whatever you want, like just if you need help with your project or it isn't really working, I can help you, I guess, I don't know.